Good on, Penny. Why? Why? Boom, my side. So welcome back to another banger bomber clock reaction. So this is a continuation to the video with the dog them get locked up and the teenager youth them give them parents be a problem and them get locked up. So them bring them to discipline them in our place, you see me? In a place in a jail, you see me? My fault. So yeah, man. So it's a continuation, bro. If you don't miss out the last video, then just go watch them. You see me?
Good morning, y'all. Some of y'all ain't saying nothing yet. First of all, my name is Carlos Reed.
You know, eat nothing yet.
Ain't saying nothing yet. First of all, my name is Carlos Reed. We did not pick you up. We did not come to your house or to your school asking them to put you in shock treatment. Your parents came to us.
Yeah.
Your parents came to us because there are some issues that they have with y'all they didn't know how to deal with. Our job is to help you find yourself. That's all it is.
Be a trouble boy, them
you can get it,
man. See what they do.
Some ain't gonna get it. But as you go through this, you can see some people who didn't get it. But you can also get to see some people who get it. The ones who didn't get it, some of them died, some of them end up in prison, some of them even in the boys' school. But some of got it, they're living their best life right now. They living good, on some good jobs, have some good career. Our job is not to harm you. Our job is not to hurt you. Our job is to cut on the light for you because we believe that in our country right now, we got too many of our young brothers were dying. Too many of our young brothers end up in prison. Even as you get to go down to prison, you can see some people up there talking about like some even around your age, some people who chose the wrong path. I believe in life, you have the power inside you to make right choices. And the choices that you make.
Dog, lecture them fuck. Dog, lecture them out. Yeah, man, lecture them further. Be a trouble in their road again.
Today can determine where you can be, how you can be, and who you can be in your tomorrows. My brothers, welcome to shock treatment.
It ain't real, tell it real. You better get in check before you get checked.
Trouble in a John shop. Start up the thing, man. Wait, I want to go on. Wait there, I want to go on. Wait there. Wait there. I'm telling you, say I'm trouble. Wait, them want to see what I go on when they just pull up. Wait there. Yo, then catch me telling us a problem. Yo, if them have this a yard in a dog, a problem, you know. Watch out. Watch out, through the window and take that man. Yo, watch through the window and take come on. Yo, if they ever bring this guy out, a problem, brother. Where the fuck you going in a John shop? Dog, I want to go on.
Is that everything?
Yo, Jaja, you. Hey boy. Yo, man, them are rough, them, you know. Yo, dog, them are rough, them, fuck. Yo, you see if them ever bring that program in here, dog. A problem. The bad team them, bring them guys soldier camp or lock them up and thing and then, you see me? Try if you curve them behavior. Trouble I go there in a John shop, me I tell you. Run it. All that man, when they give me a tough chat, look for a child, yo. Watch this one round here, so I laugh. Cause this man knows say, yo, I saw them up, rough them up, you know. I laugh, this one I laugh, you know. Watch him.
No, don't get the shoes. Don't get the shoes. Hurry up. Get up this bus. Hurry up, son.
Yeah, man, they not laugh with them, you know.
Get your shoes, son. Hurry up. Go get your shoes, son. Hurry up.
Hey, man, they not laugh with them, bro. Fix your face. Hey, now you a bad boy. Fix your face, you. Hey, boy, fix your face. Watch this man all the ball out in a dog face. That mouth go stink. Yo, dog want go up, you know, dog regret everything we ever do. Watch him face, him a ball out. Fuck, Jaja, you. Sorry, bro. Your fault.
Why you
Keep my ball.
Look him in his eye. Why you go get your shoes? Why you go get there?
Go down by any. Why? Why?
Now give me push-ups. Hurry up. Let's go. Hurry up. Let's go. I said get down. Get up. Listen to me.
Wait. Yo, them are confused, dog. Yo, fuck. One man I said, go down for your knees. The next one I said, get up. Yo, what the fuck I go on, bro? Yo. What is that?
Hurry up. Let's go. Hurry up. Let's go. I said get down. Get up. Listen to me. Get up. I said give me push-ups. Hey, get up. Get up. Give me push-ups. I said get down. Get up.
Yo, dog, what is, bro? Bro, what the hell is going on, bro? Nah.
Get down. Get up. Now give me push-ups. Get up. Turn them out. I said turn them out.
Yo, the one who dash him on his suitcase around this, sir. No, sir. Yo.
Keep going. Hurry up. Hurry up. Wait.
Yo, dog, this illegal, bro. There's no way this illegal. Why man them do to look at you them, bro? Jaja. Feel sorry for them.
Let's go. I don't know where you going. What you say? What? That's 0. 0 is a number. Start over. Yeah. What's your name? I keep pumping. What's your name? Keep pumping. What's your name?
Jaja, bro. Nah, them a dash your dog, them back and I say go get your bag. Yo, dog, I saw soldier things there. Yo.
Go get your bag.
Yo.
Go find the bag.
Yo.
Go get it.
What the fuck?
Over your head. Bring it over your head. Get your bag. Get your bag. Why you
Find your bag.
Why you walking?
Bro,
You run where
what?
you gotta go. You understand me?
No, sir. No, sir, bro. Yo, this man, them a deal with the youth. Them a youth. Nah, tell you no lie. Feel sorry for your dog, them a fuck. I feel sorry for your dog, them. I swear to God, I feel sorry for them. Come on. Man, the people them a watch and wait to see what go on with the youth them. What this you know? What this you know? Jaja, bro. Look at man them bro. Watch ya. Watch ya, bro. Jaja, dog. Yo, man, them ugly you with them fuck, bro. Watch ya. Go for your back.
Go get it, go get it. Let's go, man. Let's go. Let's go. We didn't come and see it. Go. Come on. And there. Get in line, get in line, get in line, get in line, get in line.
Yo. Judge.
Keep moving. Keep on moving.
What's going on? Why your legs still? Why your legs still? Let's go. Just where I want it.
Jaja, bro. Yo, nah, you might deal with them rough, you know, you. Watch this one. Ah. Naga ball your fuck.
You're walking to go get your bike. You're walking to go get your bike. Get it over here. Let's go. Get the bike over here. Let's go. Bike over here. Bike over here. Get the bike. Bike over here. Get him up.
Yo. No, sir, bro. Jaja.
Now put it over here and get back on spot. Hey, he's doubling. He's doubling. Put your bike down. Put your bike down. Put it back up. Put it back up. Put the bike up. Put the bike up. Put the bike up.
Yo, never confused him.
Leave the bike down. Leave the bike up. Leave the bike up. Put your bike up. Empty your bike. Empty your bike. Empty your bike.
Open the spot. Taking too long. Open the bike. Open the bike. Open the bike. Open the bike.
Yo, no, bro. Bro. Nah, bro. Me never know say I saw this shit crazy. This shit is crazy. One time now, they want to fuck it up like it itch up. Him and they want to fuck it up since it itch up. Hey, go back over, sir.
Get to the bike. Get to the bike. Open the bike. Open the bike.
Yo, no, bro.
You want to start? Get it up. More.
Bring him a dog
More.
forward. Bring him a dog
More.
forward.
More.
Bring him a
Move
dog
up.
forward.
Come on, you're moving forward. Get your bike. I need. Hey, let's get everybody. Get your bike. Face forward. What's happening with you?
This is your bike. This is your bike. This is your bike. You don't do TikTok dance? You don't do TikTok dance?
Yeah, so we don't do
You tell me on
TikTok dance.
Yeah, but what you do on TikTok?
Yeah, get them ready.
Yeah, man.
Show them what you was doing.
Yo, these niggas real some drama niggas, bro.
Get them ready.
Get them ready.
Show them what you was doing.
Show them what you was doing. Speak with your hands. Show them what you was doing.
Yo.
Let me see what you was doing. Rifle walk for me, man. You like big guns? Smile, Keyshawn. Smile. I will say your thing.
Yo. What's the dog face and actor smile?
Smile. Smile, Keyshawn. Smile. I will say your thing. Smile.
Hey, your mommy send you on vacation, right?
I will see you smile. Don't buy you know how to go. Smile. You grab
Hey, boy, smile.
Smile every time. I smile. Why can I get on your head? Every time he's talking to you. Smile. What you do to get them? Smile. Smile and show.
So 6 10 you had to dress up a little bit, right? 6 10 you had to dress up a little bit, right? Because you like to look good, right? You like to look good, right? Nah. I'm there only, right?
What's going on with you?
So you just look good when you go out, right?
You're a faker. You want to dress
So when you want the first time you look on the right?
What's going on? Why you
Grammy enabling you.
Last you bit.
That's who enabling you. Grammy enabling you.
When last year,
Hey, stand up.
understand the tension. Hey, head up. You speaking to you, right? Guess what? Take your shoes off. Don't move. Open your hands up. Shoes back. Take them shoes up.
Why you here?
Hold them up.
Why you belted?
Now shake them
You
up.
look like a shake in the pants.
In front of you.
What you shake in the pants? What you think you is?
Shake them out. Put them back on them. Start with them.
Yeah, wearing the fake pants makes sense, right?
And keep shaking them.
I am not doing
Keep shaking them.
All of them
Yo, yo, I always think when police are showing that drape up your pants in a boy. They can play thing.
Keep it forward. Don't look in left, don't look in right. Don't look up, don't look down. Keep it right there. You got that?
Sing with me. You can't be no better than standing like that. And I don't care how I wake up in the morning. I waking up in the morning looking like some kind of sense. Because I want to be some sense. So if you don't want to be nonsense, that's how you do this. So you do slow.
I've been here for the rest, princess.
When I tell you move, you sprint. You don't do nothing else, alright? You ain't home no more where you could walk. You ain't up. Get beside that son! Get down!
Bro, what?
You're too slow. Get down, drop, and crawl on everything. Get down, lay flat on it, and crawl. Just crawl. Just crawl. Just crawl. That's what I want. Crawl.
Yo, you say man fling him? The dog said crawl. I'll fling him.
Just crawl. Just crawl. Just
Crawl, boy.
That's what I want. Crawl faster. Crawl faster. Yeah.
Yo.
Move faster.
Let's go it out. July.
Yeah, my
Unless you like
side,
to
so
pay
it's
more
here
on
I
your
will come
tools
to
and
the end of
hardware,
the episode
lawn and
there, so
garden, and
I react to
automotive,
the next episode.
just
so
remember
stay
that we get you the same
Leave a like,
results
leave a
for
subscribe,
less.
you know, all that good stuff, bro. Get me to 1K subs. First, even 1K, get me to 100.
Try the all-new Double Sonic Smasher and at a half price drink in the app.
No,
Live free, eat Sonic.
Let's go. Oh. Guess what? You just won. Go again.
Go again.
Go again.
You just won, what?
Just one. Go again.
Go again.
Go again. Hey, get down. Get down.
How you doing?
What's your name? Alex. What's your name? Alex. Alex what? Yeah. Your name is Alex. How many times have you been here? Twice. Twice? This is second time? So you didn't understand?
Bro, this if anything, bro, bro, I'm not telling a lie. Them say this we curb you and do violence and thing, man. I tell you, if we go somewhere and this happen to me, bro, I don't know how me gonna come back out, dog. I'm not really sure if I'm on the good side. Whereas if me get sent or something like smoking weed and them thing, bro, I'm not gonna come back out the same person, bro, and when I think it's gonna be not good. Yeah, I tell you, cause when I look like you know and turn them man and some army man.
Jesus. Both arms up. Stand still, right? Stand still. Both arms up. Now I want you to rotate your hands forward, right? We call those sun gods, right? Because when it's cold, we need to pray for the sun, right? That's what we need to do. We need to pray for the sun when it's cold. So this is what I want you to do, right? Woo, I feel good. I feel good to you. It feels good to me. It feels good to me, right? Good. Hey, small circles, right? Up, small circles. Whoa, this is what I want. Hey, look at that. This is what I want. This is what I want, right? So why are we here again? You're not listening and fighting.
Now, why
So
you?
you understand that you ain't listening? You understand that you ain't listening? You just don't care. Look at me, because there's no more water. There's no more water. I want you to look at me now. You understand? What you're doing is wrong. You just don't care. So what am I to do with you? What am I to do with you? What
First
can make
of
you
all, tell
understand?
the instructor thanks, because I sure that's your first part for the year.
What am I to do with you to help you to understand? Do you want to get better? Are you sure? What are you doing to get better for yourself? No, you're just not listening. That's what you are doing to get better for yourself. You're not listening. Because this is your second time here. Once is a
come here
mistake.
already?
Twice is a choice. You know what 3 times is? A bad habit. And they don't like bad habits. So you committed a mistake. and now you've chosen to come back here. So to prevent your bad habit, we're going to make sure, we are going to ensure, and make sure that this is your last time here.
Yeah, my side, so big up on yourself, bro. Leave a like, share, subscribe, all that good shit. Big up on yourself. No style.